We have video now timeline, and here I have added glitch sound effect so that we can create an animation much easier. So I need to add a glitch animation to the video to this time span of this glitch sound effect. So for that, we'll go to effects and search for glitch. What's that? Sorry about that. Here we have VR digital glitch. We can just drag and drop into our video, and here we can see that there's a glitch effect already created in my video, but this is not what I need, and I think this is what you don't need either. So in this glitch effect, what we can do is decrease this master amplitude. This is like the amount of glitch that we add to our video. For example, if you have 100%, which means it shows all the effects that we added. If it is 0, it means it doesn't show anything. This is just like opacity. So what we can do is we can create the glitch which we need first, and then we can animate it in this video. I'm gonna go to this distortion and then create the glitch I need using these effects. I don't think I have to explain these things. We have to play around and see what happens in each of them. So just explaining them to you is a time waste. You can create color distortion to happen. I need color distortion to happen. Distortion, complexity, and then. So now what we have to do is we have to just go to this first point, and as you might know, to animate something, we have to click on this clock icons so that we can create keyframes on this video. And then come to the position where we need to, just start the glitch effect and then animate this so that we have what we need. And then we can go to the end and do the same. So as you can see, our glitch effect has been created, but we don't need this in our entire video. We just need this in this part. So for that, just go to this kind of beginning and then click on this clock icon in front of the master amplitude, bring it back to 0, then go few frames forward, give it at 100, click on this button to create a keyframe, and at the end, we can just bring it back to 0. So now, what the f happened? See that we have a glitch effect on our video. We can even play around with scale, position to create it even better. For example, I'll quickly create an animation around this by using scale and position, just like earlier by creating keyframes.
Oh shit!
I'll
Here we go again.
Starting position, and then now here we can see it's much better than earlier because of this position and scale. We can even play around with rotation, but we don't need that in our video. So in this way, we can create a simple glitch effect for our video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and